Ever imagined controlling a game with just your hand gestures? Imagine no more. Welcome to the fascinating world of gesture-controlled gaming systems, where your motions become the commands. In the heart of this captivating technology lies the magical blend of sensors and software. The system uses sensors, such as accelerometers or cameras, to track and interpret your hand gestures. These sensors pick up on the speed, direction, and pattern of your movements, translating them into commands that the game can understand. So, you might ask, how does it work? Picture yourself playing a racing game. Instead of using a joystick to steer the car, you simply move your hand to the left or right. The sensors pick up this motion, the software interprets it, and voila! Your virtual car steers in the corresponding direction. But it doesn't just stop at racing games. This technology can be applied to a wide variety of genres. From solving puzzles by mimicking the turning of a key with your hand, to casting spells in an adventure game by drawing symbols in the air, the possibilities are endless. Now let's delve a bit deeper. The real magic happens in the software that interprets these gestures. Using advanced algorithms, the software can distinguish between different hand movements, even complex ones. It's not just about moving left or right, it can interpret a full range of hand and finger movements. The system can learn and adapt to the individual player's style, making the gaming experience more personalized and immersive. To put it in perspective, a gesture-controlled gaming system is not just a fancy way to play games, it's a game changer. It's about breaking down barriers, making gaming more accessible and inclusive. It's about adding a new layer of immersion, making games feel more real and engaging. In summary, a gesture-controlled gaming system works by utilizing sensors to pick up hand movements, which are then translated into in-game commands by sophisticated software. This technology can be applied to a wide range of games and offers a more immersive, personalized gaming experience. So the next time you find yourself on the couch, controller in hand, remember, the future of gaming is at your fingertips, and it's as easy as a wave of your hand.